And right there, we have nice scrambled eggs, super cheesy.
Here is one of our keto diabetic diet staples. I lost 100 pounds in the last year.
All right, we're gonna make the quick 1-minute eggs. I've been doing this a lot with the diet plan that I have been on. This is the quickest scrambled eggs you can make, scrambled eggs or cheesy eggs. You can put your butter spray, your butter, your bacon grease in the bottom so that your eggs don't stick. You take your egg, you put it in. You do your light scramble, just mix it up. You can mix it up like that, or you can mix it up some more if you want. Now right there, you could just take this and throw it in the microwave for 1 minute and be done and ready to go. But I like to make the cheesy eggs, so I throw some cheese on top. However much cheese that you want. You could also throw some bacon bits, some small pieces of ham on it as well. We interlock the top just like that. We're gonna go ahead and throw it in the microwave for 1 minute. Now you'll see that it did a lot of steam on the top. It almost sealed itself there with the heat. And right there, we have nice scrambled eggs, super cheesy, ready to eat. Throughout my keto quest as well as the diabetic diet, I ate a lot of these and they really helped. Thank you so much for enjoying the recipe. If you have not already gotten a copy of our Scared of Needles, How I Lost 100 Pounds in 1 Year, please make sure you check the link below to get yourself a copy. It got me to get my A1C regular, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, got rid of fatty liver, obesity, and of course, no longer diabetic. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.